Hello dear students, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Engineering Made Simple. Yes, so we have studied some approximately 700 above bits, right? So today we are going to start some more bits about your AMV examination, that is automobile engineering. So very important questions. So let us continue. Start. Parking traffic sign is indicated by, so is it P letter in a box of 15 to 60 centimeters, or is it P letter in a box of 16 to 60 centimeters, or B letter, okay, or let us say mirror image of P upside down, okay, in the box of 15 to 60 centimeters, or P letter in a box of 13 to 30 centimeters. So this is parking traffic sign is indicated by P letter, P for parking, and the box size is 60 into 60 centimeters. So please be careful about these bits. Practice again and again. Okay, boys. Now in the question, next question, in the road junction approach, okay, in the road junction approach traffic signal, okay, the board reads like that, okay, road junction approach. The color of the background is, what is the color of the background in the road junction approach? Is it green or black or red or yellow? So this is yellow. So boys, these bits, if you are not comfortable or if you are forgetting frequently, so visit or read again and again, so that it gets printed in your mind, because you can expect some good questions from these chapters. Today also what we are doing, we are studying about the traffic signals and symbols and their importance, right? Once again, next question, in the end of speed limit traffic sign, the colors of broadband and background, see the words broadband and background are, is it, so in the traffic sign that reads as end of speed limit, what are the colors of broadband and background? Is it the combination black and yellow? Is it the combination yellow and black? Is it white and red, or is that red and white? So here in this particular end of speed limit traffic sign, the colors of broadband and background are black and yellow. Black and yellow. That's the question. That's the answer. Okay. Right. Next question. The diameter of the circle represented for end of speed limit. You see this board, right? Sign board, traffic sign board frequently, right? So like end of the speed limit. Okay. So like that. So here the diameter of the circle. So what the diameter of the circle he is asking? So is it 100 centimeters, or is it 80 centimeters, or is it 60 centimeters, or is it 1.5 meters? 1.5 meters is definitely a big sign, and this is given to only just to misguide you, because other things are in centimeters, something is and you are finding in meters. You might have the tendency to put this as the answer, 1.5 meters more. No, but it's not the correct answer. The diameter of the circle represented for end of speed limit traffic sign is 60 centimeters. Next question. In the parking sign traffic sign, the color of the background is, what is the color of the background? Is it blue or black or red or white? So it is blue. So 745th bit is connected with your one diagram that we will see later. So we will go to straight away 746th bit. The inflation pressure of front tire of same Ambassador and inflation pressure of rear tire of Fiat car are respectively. So I was talking you in the earlier videos Fiat cars and your Ambassador cars, they were used in the good olden days, but now they are not using, but still they are important from the examination point of view. Suppose if he wants to give the questions on this, he might give, because they are covered in your old editions of automobile engineering by Kripal Singh. Okay. Now let us see the inflation pressure. So he is asking the front tire pressure of inflation pressure of Ambassador car, and similarly rear tire pressure of the Fiat car. So this is a different combination. So what are the pressures? Is it 180 and 60 in kilopascals, of course? Is it 180 and 160 combination, 190 and 190, or 180 and 180, or 160 and 160? So here the combination is 180 and 160. Next question. So this is a good question, boys. So please see this, watch this very carefully. As soon as the steering wheel is lifted after the turn is completed, the element of the vehicle that tends to return the wheel to its straight ahead position is its. So what is the main factor or reason for the steering wheel to come back to its original position? Is it the speed, or is it the weight? Is it the weight or speed or height or center of gravity? So definitely this is the weight of the steering wheel, okay, after taking the turn. that will try to bring the return back the wheels to its state ahead position. So the answer is weight. The variation of air pressure from the standard prescribed will change the vehicles. Okay. So the change in the variation of the air pressure from the standard pressure, prescribed pressure. So what it will change? That is the vehicle's parameter. Is it rolling radius, or is it sliding radius, or is it height above its center of gravity, or is it the load taken by it? So naturally here, as far as our vehicle is concerned, rolling radius is very important. Okay. So because the wheels roll on the road. So here the answer is rolling radius. Rolling radius. This is connected with air conditioning system, boys. The two units of the automobile air conditioning system that have similar construction are. So he is asking the similarity of construction of the two elements of the air conditioning cycle. So we have seen that there are four elements like condenser, compressor, dehydrator and evaporator. So what are the two units which have the same construction? Is it the combination of dehydrator and condenser? So we have seen when we have discussed about air conditioning, I have talked about the functions of all these units like dehydrator, condenser, compressor and evaporator. So now here the question is which two units have the same construction, similar construction? Dehydrator and condenser, or dehydrator and evaporator, or compressor and condenser, or is it condenser and evaporator? It is the condenser and evaporator. In the condenser the heat is rejected, and in the evaporator heat is absorbed. That is, this is the element which is going to cool the system actually, okay, inside the vehicle. So the two units have that have similar air construction of as far as the air conditioning system of the automobile is concerned, are the condenser and evaporator. Today, boys, last bit for today. Yes, once again my request, please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you think that it is useful, it has been helping you for thorough revision of the subject, or you think that it is helping you in cracking the examination, or do you if you think that it is helping you in many ways, for example revising your topics, or revising your knowledge, or testing your depth of knowledge. So those who might have gone to certain level in the preparation, certain extent, or those who have just started your preparations, or those who have finished their preparations. For those who have finished preparations, it may be useful as a revision for them. So those who are the beginners, it will be a totally new and they can start from the scratch or beginning, or those who are in the mid of preparation, it will be useful for testing their knowledge. Okay, if you think that it is meeting any of you, all of you, if you think that my videos or my channel is meeting your expectations in all those things which I have described just now, okay, like the beginners or those who are in the mid of the preparation or those who have completed preparations, boys, please like my channel, comment, share and subscribe among your groups and contacts. Now, I have made number of videos which are helpful for your examinations. Like once again, let me remind you, so please visit my channel. You will find number of videos, probably more than 150 videos are there right now, okay, of which around 70 to 75 are for your AMVA examination. If you think that they are helpful, so please like my channel, okay. So please go through the all those videos and revise all those topics. Those who have not yet visited, please visit my channel, like, subscribe and comment. So last bit for today, the carbon canister used with the fuel tank and carburetor ventilating system. So what is it going to do? Carbon canister. So certain things are here confusing. Absorbs the vapor or absorbs the vapor, or evaporates the petrol or vaporizes the moisture. So vaporization, evaporation are related, and adsorption and absorption are again once again related. So here the words are confusing, and once again the petrol and vapor. The question is petrol and vapor and also the moisture. So what is the true answer? Correct answer here. The carbon canister used with the fuel tank and carburetor ventilating system, it is going to absorb the vapor. Absorb the vapor. This is a new word, right? So I will discuss more about this in my later videos. Okay. So guys, so what about yes, the notifications? Yes, we are hearing that they will be coming after your elections are over. Recently also, yesterday I think I have heard in the news, I have gone through the news, so they were telling that only the elections are hindering the notification process, etc. So be hopeful, definitely the notifications will come. So by that time, my guess is that, my expectation is that you should have completed your IC Engines by V. Ganeshan and Automobile Engineering Volume 1 and Volume 2 by Kripal Singh at least once, and I expect that you must have watched all my videos. Okay, that will help you to a great extent. Once again, I wish you all the best.